Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add a photo on a video in CapCut. So let's get started. So if you want to add a photo on a video in CapCut, then what you have to do is first of all open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut application, now you have to tap on new project and then create a new project. So now if you want to add a photo on a video, first of all what you have to do is select a video. So for example, I'll select this video, and after adding this video in your timeline, now what you can do is add a photo. So to add a photo, what you have to do is tap on overlay, which is on the bottom of your screen. You can find this option which is overlay. Tap on it and then tap on add overlay, and now you have to add a photo. So head over to your photos and then select a photo that you like. So after selecting a photo, now what you can do is just add that photo on your timeline, and after adding that photo, resize this photo according to your video. And after doing that, now you can edit your photo. Just simply edit your photo the way you like. You can just crop it, resize it. After doing that, now you can place this photo anywhere that you like. So for example, I'll place it over here, and after doing that, now you can see if you tap on play, you have successfully added this photo in your video. So that's it guys, this is how to add a photo on a video in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.